Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok, and it's a very easy process, and in 2022 not much has changed, but let me go and break it down for you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download TikTok and make sure you're up to date on the most recent version. If you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, it may not work for you. Now as long as you have that out of the way, the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to your TikTok app, and you want to go and click the plus button down here. So most of the time you may already have a TikTok loaded up if you have like a video already that you filmed. If not, you can go and just do a sample one just by holding it down here and start recording a video just like this. And once you have that video already filmed and you're ready to go and it looks good, all you have to do is pretty much click the check mark button, which is right there. You'll see the little video that comes up and you may hear your audio. Now this is where you can add that text to speech over this specific video. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to click on the little text icon that's right there. So you can click on text like this, you'll see this little pop-up come up, and you just want to type in the text that you once said from the little text-to-speech robot thing. So if I just go and say hi, LOL, or whatever, right? All I have to do now is click on this little third option that looks like a person speaking. So if I click on it, you will be able to hear whatever saying this thing. So you can hear that, right? It just said that, hi, lol, whatever. So now all you have to do is configure which voice you want. So if you want to go ahead and have them using the Eddie voice or whatever, you can have here. If you want to do Joey, you can do this. If you want to do Chris, all these other voices, you have the option to. And that's really all you have to do. Now the voice will go ahead and change, and you can go ahead and move this around too. So you can go and click done right in the top right corner, and you can move this around and place it wherever you want to. You can also make it bigger just like this, and that's really pretty much the process. If you keep that voice on like that, that's really all you have to do. You can also click on sounds and add sounds, and you can do all these other different things too. And if you want to add another text to speech, or if you want to change the duration of this, you can click on it just like this, and you can click set duration right here, and you can change it. So if you don't want it that long, you can make it this long, and you can add another one after it. Click here. You can add another one and another one, just keep going. And that's really all you have to do. It's really that easy. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.